New Brighton Ford. Quality selection, exceptional customer service, and a great price too. Let the friendly professionals at New Brighton Ford help you get into your next vehicle today.
With cutting-edge capabilities and thoughtful conveniences, the Ford Escape makes all your journeys possible. It's a sophisticated-looking SUV with amazing performance ability and maximum cargo configurability. Choose from 4 models: S, SE, SEL, and Titanium. With 3 powerful and efficient engines available, your adventurous spirit is free to pursue your passion. A 2.5-liter inline-4 uses variable intake valve timing, and the 2 EcoBoost engines feature auto start-stop technology for added efficiency. All 3 come with a 6-speed automatic transmission featuring select shift, and intelligent 4-wheel drive is available. Your Escape is smarter than ever with available driver assist technology that alerts, warns, and can even auto-maneuver. You'll love the easy-to-use Sync infotainment system and its LCD touchscreen. And available Sync Connect lets you access your Escape with your smartphone. With the available power liftgate, a simple kick of your foot under the bumper opens the tailgate for easy, hands-free access to your Escape's 68 cubic feet of cargo space. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories, and build an Escape that's all yours. The Ford Escape. It'll make you unstoppable.
At New Brighton Ford, you'll never pay too much, and we'll do everything we can to make sure you drive away in the vehicle that's right for you. If it's service, selection, and value you're after, then New Brighton Ford is the place to shop. Stop in today. We're easy to find at the intersection of Highway 694 and Silver Lake Road in New Brighton. It's where our customers send their family and friends.